guys, and welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. Now, today we're going to be looking at an affiliate marketing strategy that you can implement on YouTube without even showing your own face. This is a tried and tested method. We have tried this before, we've seen success with this before, so we're going to show you exactly what to do here. Before we dive into that video, like, share, and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome money making methods. I really would appreciate that. And also, guys, we are hosting a monetary giveaway of up to $1,000 in partnership with another company. Go and check it out if you want to sign up into that draw. The link is down below in the description should you be interested in that. But yeah, other than that, guys, let's dive straight into this video. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is you're going to have to come over to Pexels. Now, if you know Pexels is a royalty-free website in which you get royalty-free photos, royalty-free videos, whatever it may be. Now, today we're going to be promoting a fitness product, right? So we're going to use fitness as our example again, simply because it's something that I'm really passionate about. I'm sure a lot of you all are also. But essentially what we want a video rather than a photo. So let's search for, you can go and type in workout, and that should give us some options that we can choose from. But as soon as you get the results, you can pick one and then you simply download it to your PC. Right, so here we have some photos here of free workout, royalty free photos right there. If you go ahead on over to videos, you'll see that we have a whole range of options here to choose from. Now, guys, the whole idea here is that you can monetize this YouTube channel basically without showing your face, and you can not only monetize it and earn money through AdSense, but you can also promote your affiliate products, right? So here are loads and loads and loads, literally loads and videos for you to choose from. I've already, beforehand downloaded some of these videos to my PC, so I'm going to be using them for demonstration purposes. But yeah, guys, that is the main principle. You're simply going to click on download on one of these videos, and you're going to download it straight to your PC without any hassle. You simply click that button right there, right? So once you've done that, right, you've downloaded your video, you sorted. Now you head on over to ClickBank, right? You log into your ClickBank account, and you will see this dashboard. Now this can work with any affiliate marketplace. I'm just using ClickBank as an example here. So if we head on over to the health and fitness niche, we should see, as per usual, we should see products popping up right there. There we go. All right. So just for demonstration purposes, right, let's say we want to promote T-Burn, right? So you're going to click on promote. You're going to enter your account nickname, and obviously ClickBank is going to give you your tracking ID. And then, as I taught you guys in the previous videos, you head on over to Bitly, right? So Bitly is a URL shortener. You head on over to Bitly, you place your long hop link there. It shortens it and it makes it trackable, right? So that is an important thing. You can see how many clicks you get on that link, and that is from there you can devise a strategy in order to improve the click rate, right? But once all that is done, that is a very easy process. So now you have your shortened, okay, Microsoft, no. Once you have your shortened affiliate link, what I want you to do is I want you to come over to Canva, which is a graphic design tool. Now, guys, as we said in previous videos, when doing anything like this on the internet, your online safety is number one, and that is why we use NordVPN. And currently, guess what? We have a 63% discount on NordVPN. So why not take it? Your online safety, is your online safety not worth that 63% discount? Yeah, I thought so. So go and check it out. It is linked down below. Excellent VPN. NordVPN is been using it for a while now. So follow the link in the description for your 63% discount. But you're coming over to Canva, on which we have another offer, by the way, a 30-day free trial, which is also linked down below. So you're going to come over to Canva. You're going to say you create a design, right? And you're going to come over to video format, right? And this is going to take a while to load all the presets. You can close this window right here. All right, so, excuse me. The basic idea is here, we want to find something kind of to just place our video, just to make sure it's in the right format. And I always like to place these downloaded videos on Canva just to make sure they're in the correct format. It's not a necessary step, but I like doing it, right? So you can have for example, what you're going to do is you're going to have, there's the video right there. You're going to drag this video over to here. You're going to place it here, make sure it's in the right format for YouTube. You're going to download the video just like that. You don't need to worry about copyright because you've downloaded it from a royalty-free website, right? So essentially, we don't even have to demonstrate the step, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I normally do, right? So then you'd have your video downloaded in the correct format, royalty-free workout video. What you do then is you simply use your shortened URL that you got from ClickBank, the fitness product, and you place that link in the description of your YouTube video when you upload it to YouTube, right? Very simple process, guys. So in the description, you would have something like, check out this awesome workout video. If you want to get fit, try this product and this product. Obviously, don't make it spammy. Don't make it obvious, right? You have to entice people's emotions in order to sell something, right? So you head on over to YouTube. You take your video that we downloaded, that you've put onto Canva. You take it, you upload it to YouTube, and first of all, you obviously have to have a channel. You can call it something like simple workout tips, simple workouts, right? Something along those lines. Because remember, you're not showing your own face. You're using royalty-free workout footage, and you're using an affiliate link, right? So once you monetize the channel, you're going to earn through YouTube's AdSense, and you're going to earn through your affiliate link with your sales. So simple method, guys. This is just one example of many strategies that you can follow if you're not comfortable showing your face on video. But yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more money-making methods. And remember that NordVPN 63% discount is a limited time offer. Go and check it out. It is linked down below in the description of this video. We'll see you soon.